Dominique nique s'en allait tout simplement, routier, pauvre et chantant. En tout chemin, en tout lieu, il ne parle que du bon Dieu, il ne parle que du bon Dieu. À l'époque où Jean sans terre d'Angleterre était le roi, Dominique, notre père, combattit les albigeois. Dominique nique s'en allait tout simplement, routier, pauvre et chantant. En tout chemin, en tout lieu, il ne parle que du bon Dieu, il ne parle.
Hey, that's Ashton Kutcher. I know, right? Oh my god, he's so hot. Do you want to give him his coffee? Yeah. Gimme. Shit, I'm nervous, I can't. What happened? I got so nervous I couldn't do it. I would spill coffee all over him. Do you want to give him a hot towel instead? Yeah, gimme. What now? You closed his door. For your dinner service on today's flight, we have the pleasure of offering you a choice of chicken or beef. Hello, ma'am. Would you like chicken or beef today? I don't eat chicken or beef. Can I get fish? Certainly. It'll just be a moment. I got it.
Dominique nique s'en allait tout simplement, routier, pauvre et chantant. En tout chemin, en tout lieu, il ne parle que du bon Dieu, il ne parle que du bon Dieu. À l'époque où Jean sans terre d'Angleterre était le roi, Dominique, notre père, combattit les albigeois. Dominique nique s'en allait tout simplement, routier, pauvre et chantant. En tout chemin, en tout lieu, il ne parle que du bon Dieu, il ne parle que du bon Dieu. Certains jours, un hérétique par des ronces le conduit.
Miss, I'm so sorry. This is for first class passengers only. Oh, please, no. I matched with this guy on this dating app and he's in first class. Oh, how fun. It's J-Hope from BTS. Oh, honey, he wouldn't be on an app like this. He's a superstar. Can you please check for me then? If he's there, I'll let you in first class and I'll shave off an eyebrow. Sprite? Hi. Can I help you with... Oh. Ma'am, your luggage is too big. It's not going to fit in our overhead bins. What are you talking about? I use this bag all the time. It's physically impossible for that to fit up there. We're going to have to offload that. I have been using the same bag for over 10 years. Ma'am, I'm going to say it again. It's not going to fit. How did you even get past the gate? I need to keep this bag. My medication isn't here. You can take that out. You know, you're being mean to me because you're racist. We're the same race, though. Your service is terrible. You're terrible. I'm never flying with this airline again. That would be great.
Dominique nique s'en allait tout simplement, routier, pauvre et chantant. En tout chemin, en tout lieu, il ne parle que du bon Dieu, il ne parle que du bon Dieu. À l'époque où Jean sans terre d'Angleterre était le roi, Dominique, notre père, combattit les albigeois. Dominique nique s'en allait tout simplement, routier, pauvre et chantant. En tout chemin, en tout lieu, il ne parle que du bon Dieu, il ne parle que du bon Dieu. Certains jours, un hérétique par des ronces le conduit, mais notre père Dominique par sa... Dominique nique s'en allait tout simplement, routier, pauvre et chantant. En tout chemin, en tout lieu, il ne parle que du bon Dieu, il ne parle que du bon Dieu. l'époque où Jean sans terre d'Angleterre était le roi, Dominique, notre père, combattit les albigeois. Dominique, nique, s'en allait tout simplement, routier, pauvre et chantant. En tout chemin, en tout lieu, il ne parle que du bon Dieu, il ne...
Excuse me, sir, could you please not flick your toe jams in the air, put down your feet, and put on your shoes? Why? Story time of my favorite flight experience. It happened on my very last shift ever with Emirates. It was an airport standby shift, and I was secretly hoping not to get called in for a flight. But of course, they called my name, and I was super bummed out. She told me I was going to Johannesburg, South Africa. I've been there several times, so wasn't too excited about it. Then she smiled at me and told me to have a good time. I got confused and tried to think what was happening in Joburg at the time, and then it hit me. The 2010 World Cup was happening there. So then I'm on the flight and the purser hands the crew these. Tickets to the World Cup game, courtesy of Emirates. So when we landed in Joburg, we got decked out in World Cup gear. This was my look. Was surprised again with box seats to the game. We had the time of our lives. We partied. I got trashed. And flew back the next day most likely still drunk. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I was. Because I served the passengers looking like this, and that was my last flight ever as cabin crew.